Hey there. Are you currently navigating your 20s or 30s, feeling a mix of excitement, confusion, and maybe a little overwhelmed? It's a wild ride, isn't it? This phase of life is packed with big decisions and even bigger questions. We totally get it. This journey can feel isolating sometimes, but it doesn't have to be. We are all figuring things out, one step at a time. That's why we created 20s and 30s. Think of us as your go-to resource for all things adulting. We're here to offer insightful tips, share relatable stories, and provide practical advice to help you thrive. We believe this exciting yet challenging phase of your life can truly be a fulfilling adventure. Let's explore it together, with a supportive community by your side. Every week, we dive deep into topics that matter most to you. We'll talk about building a successful career, mastering financial literacy, and fostering genuine personal growth. We also cover essential life skills and share plenty of inspiration and motivation. Our goal is to equip you with the tools you need to confidently tackle whatever comes next. We post 2 brand new videos every single week, packed with value just for you. Don't miss out on transforming your adulthood into something truly amazing. Hit that subscribe button and embark on this journey with us. Let's navigate this together and make your 20s and 30s your best years yet.